A bridge is always associated with romance, some extraordinary energy, and tranquility. There are thousands of different bridges in the world, differing in their architecture, size, and other features. Many of them are truly unique and represent grandiose masterpieces of engineering thought. Seeing them or crossing them can bring incredible pleasure. Today, we will tell you about the most unusual bridges in the world, the impressions of encountering which will be vivid and unforgettable. Enjoy watching. This is one of the most famous landmarks in southern France. It is visited by about 500,000 tourists annually who use the observation platforms equipped near the bridge for sightseeing. At the time of its construction, Viaduct du Midi was the tallest transportation bridge in the world. One of its pillars reaches a height of 341 meters, slightly taller than the Eiffel Tower. The length of the bridge is 2460 meters, and the height at the highest point of the roadway is 270 meters above the water level of the Tarn River. The entire structure of the bridge consists of thin trusses fastened to a steel platform, allowing for the most efficient distribution of loads. As a result, the entire bridge has only 7 pillars on the ground. But this doesn't prevent it from effectively withstanding winds in the valley, which can reach speeds of more than 200 kilometers per hour. The project was designed by French engineer Michael Viaduct, previously known for his involvement in designing the second longest cable-stayed bridge in the world at the time of Viaduct du Midi's construction, the Normandy Bridge, and the English architect Norman Foster. There are 7 observation platforms in the viaduct area of Midi, where local residents and tourists come to admire the structure and the Tarn Valley surrounding Midi. Crossing the Midi Viaduct requires a toll. For a car, the toll upon entering the bridge is €8.30. In July and August, during the peak of heat in a region, it's more expensive, nearly €10.4. And if the car has a trailer, the fee increases to €12.40, €15.6 in July and August. Crossing the bridge on a motorcycle will cost about €5.1. This viaduct was built in 3 years, costing €400 million, which is already an incredible amount. The Ruya Bridge in China is a true test for those who fear heights. The Chinese province of Zhejiang is famous for its beautiful nature, particularly its mountain landscapes. Therefore, the bridge was built not only to create an appealing tourist attraction, but also to connect 2 mountains and significantly shorten the distance from point A to point B. It was built from 2017 to September 2020 to cross one of the gorges of the Xingjiang Valley. The bridge has a pedestrian walkway with a glass bottom, which is why it is considered a pedestrian bridge. While it may not be very long, only 100 meters, its design is what makes it remarkable. Combined with a 140-meter canyon, it appears incredibly impressive. Essentially, it consists of 3 pedestrian bridges arching and connecting with each other. With a height of 140 meters, people walking on the bridge have an excellent opportunity to admire the mesmerizing landscapes. A separate kind of pleasure is witnessing the bridge enveloped in fog. The bridge became famous when Canadian astronaut Chris Hadfield uploaded a drone video of the bridge to Twitter, which eventually went viral. Many viewers initially doubted the existence of such a bridge. The Huangtangsha Chinese Bridge, an observation deck, opened in 2019, immediately causing a stir among tourists. The floor of the bridge consists only of glass panels, which are located above the gorge at a height of 500 meters. Many visitors are simply afraid to walk on the bridge because of this feature. However, its soaring part is capable of withstanding a load of 400 tons, which corresponds to the weight of about 5,330 people. In addition to its unique viewing platform, the bridge also functions as the world's largest artificial waterfall. It can spray water over a distance of 168 meters, almost completely covering the protruding circular part. The Chinese bridge resembles 2 crossing tennis rackets suspended in the air above a massive mountain. Despite the apparent simplicity of the design, its calculation and construction required significant efforts from the designers. This Chinese bridge is unique in that its bottom is made of the most advanced glass material in the world. With a thickness of 6 centimeters, its transparency reaches 99.9%. Meanwhile, the maximum area of a single panel equals the size of an average room, 15 square meters. The world's longest glass suspension bridge has been erected in the picturesque Three Gorges area of Huangchuan in southern China. The 526-meter-long bridge spanning the Lianjiang River in Guangdong Province has been officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the longest glass-bottom bridge in the world. It was built at a height of 201 meters. The bridge's glass consists of 3 layers with a total thickness of 4.5 centimeters. The bridge can accommodate up to 500 people simultaneously and features observation decks about 9 meters wide. The structure is supported by thick cables attached to 2 red metal towers. The Architectural Design and Research Institute of Zhejiang University hopes that by using glass for the flooring, the bridge will blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. The highest pedestrian bridge in Singapore resembles several waves rising between 2 public parks. The amazing Henderson Waves was designed by IGP Corporation of London RSP Architectural Bureau and engineers from a private limited company in Singapore. At the base of the bridge are 7 undulating curved ribs made of steel, alternately rising above the deck, giving the bridge its wave-like form. Comfortable chairs and benches are arranged along the bends of the bridge where visitors can sit and enjoy the wonderful park views. Everyone who walks along the Henderson Waves marvels at the beautiful horizon, which is perfectly visible from all points of the bridge. This pedestrian bridge, spanning 274 meters, connects Mount Faber Park and Telok Blangah Hill Park. Located at a height of 36 meters above Henderson Road, it is Singapore's tallest bridge. In the recesses of the bridge, there are resting places, cozy chairs where you can sit and relax. The bridge looks especially beautiful at night when the LED lighting is activated, creating many mysterious shadows. The best time to visit Henderson Waves is either early in the morning, when you can enjoy the fresh, cool breeze, or in the evening when the lights are turned on. The Magdeburg water bridge across the Elbe River is a unique engineering wonder. There is no equivalent structure in Europe. It wasn't built for trains or cars. Only boats and pedestrians travel across this bridge. The total length of the structure is 918 meters. About 700 meters are above land. The rest is above water. This, without exaggeration, is a technical marvel and an engineering masterpiece. The bridge connected Germany's vital canals, the Mittelland Canal and the Elbe-Havel Canal. Large barges no longer have to make a long and dangerous 12-kilometer detour along the Elbe River. The waterway for heavy cargo vessels has a depth of 4 meters and a width of 34 meters. The construction cost the German government €500 million. Upon its completion in December 2016, the Dujiangyan Bridge became the world's highest. However, its height is not due to its design, but rather its location. It spans the Bipanjiang River Gorge at a dizzying altitude of 565 meters. Dujiangyan Bridge is a concrete cable-stayed bridge with a 4-lane roadway across the Bipanjiang River. It connects the cities of Xinhui in Yunnan Province and Luoping in Guizhou, significantly reducing travel time between them from 4 hours to just over an hour. This was an ambitious construction project, and the designers had to constantly relocate the bridge's final position higher and higher due to the discovery of caves and cracks in the Kars Mountains on both sides of the valley. The eastern tower pylon of the bridge has a height of 269 meters, making Dujiangyan one of the tallest bridges in the world. Building bridges at great heights in China has been a skill for quite some time. An example of this is a small bridge connecting the Buddha Temple and the Maitreyi Temple on top of Mount Fanjingshan. This temple complex is located at an altitude of 2336 meters above sea level, and along with its surrounding areas designated as a unique natural reserve, is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. To reach the temples, you have to climb a long staircase from the foot of the mountain. This staircase consists of 8,888 steps, and the ascent takes tourists an average of 4 hours, including stops at cafes at rest areas. Write in the comments which of these unusual bridges you like the most. If you found something new and interesting in this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Karo Show channel so you don't miss new videos. See you later.